Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start by opening up the glove box and see this latch, you're just going to pull it. Next you want to push in the sides, push this in, and this falls down. All right guys, this is your filter in here. Just push on this tab and pull out. It slides out from this side. That's your filter. Just grab it and pull it out. All right guys, once you get your new filter, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down and just put it back in. Take your cover and it slides down the left side first and it clips in place. Next, when the glove box up, you may have to push in on the sides a little bit. Next, pull this out and latch it in place. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.